Okay, today we're going to write equations from 2 points. Now you already know how to find the slope from 2 points using the slope formula. So there are 3 steps here in order to find the equation from 2 points. The first step you should be really good at because you've had so much practice. So the first 2 points are -4, 2 and -3, 5. Step 1, find the slope. In order to find the slope, we have to do m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Remember how I said in the very beginning, you draw your line immediately and you put in your subtraction signs, because I see we have negatives up there in our points and we don't want to mess that up. So I'm going to label x1, y1, x2, y2. So now substitute. My y2 is 5 and my y1 is 2. My x2 is -3 and my x1 is -4. So I'm going to have 5 minus 2, which is 3. Keep -3, change to addition, change to a +4, and that's going to equal 1. Okay, so 5 minus 2 is 3, -3 plus 4 is 1. So my slope is going to be 3. So m equals 3. Now step 2 is to find the y-intercept. Which is our b. Okay, now we just did this, so we're going to use the slope. Which is m equals 3. And choose one of those 2 points. So choose one of the points. So I think I'm going to use -4, 2. And label x and y. Okay, you can use either one of the 2 points. It does not make a difference which point you use. But you need to keep those together. I can't use -4 and 5 or 2 and -3. I have to keep the points together. All right, so now we're going to substitute just like we did previously. Y equals mx plus b. I'm looking for b. My y is 2. My slope is 3. And my x is -4 plus b. 3 times -4 is -12. 2 equals -12 plus b. Again, I'm circling b because I know that's what I'm looking for. I'm going to add 12 to both sides. And I'm going to get 14 equals b. So my y-intercept is 14. Okay, and the last step, the final step, use the slope. And the y-intercept to write the equation. So y equals mx plus b. I am keeping my y. I'm substituting my m with the 3 that I found earlier. And I'm substituting my b with 14. So y equals 3x plus 14. So you know how to find the slope by using the slope formula. The last lesson that we learned, we found the y-intercept by substituting in the slope and 1 point. So once we get that done and we find b, then we put it all together. Remember that x and y will always remain in the equation.